everybody. Now you get to hear my voice. I've been asked to teach you some choreographies, so I thought that today I'm just gonna go ahead and teach you one of the first shuffle choreographies I've done. It's to the song of DeHoffnar back in the day. It's very simple. So I think I was just like trying to remember it and I was struggling to, but let's do it, let's try it. So the beginning is very simple. We're starting from like, I usually start minute 19 of that song, and by the end it goes, we start from the words, I loved you like the sound of the ocean. I loved you like the, from sound of, the sound is count one, so we go sound of the ocean. So we just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. Little Hawaiian Moana hands, and feet are just doing this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So feet are doing this. I loved you like the sound of the ocean, rhythm, emotion. So 1, 2. 1 is opened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So slowly with the feet. I loved you like the sound of the ocean, rhythm, emotion. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Notice how your feet are doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Like the movement is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Arms are doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's like your feet are working twice as fast as your arms. So let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Watch from behind. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So 7 and 8. After you've done this, we're throwing it out. We're going 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So you got here. Loved you like the sound of the ocean, rhythm, emotion. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So right, left, right, right, left, right, middle, middle. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Like you are, take everything and throw it out. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's do from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, when you're done this, 7 and 8. So I'm assuming for this movement that you already know that that's how we do it. Right foot is on the heel, left foot is on the toe. Right, left, and then it switches. Right, left, right, right, left, right, palm, heel. It's heel, heel in the end. Came here, let's do it the back side. Okay. Palm, bam, 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 bam. Got it? All right. We'll do. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 4 and 7 up. Because then we're gonna start sliding back, so you gotta prepare yourself for that. Alright? So we got 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's do it from the beginning. Be the back side. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6. I love you like the sound of the ocean. Rhythm, emotion. Rhythm, 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 emotion. 5, 6. I love you like the sound of the ocean. Rhythm, emotion. Rhythm, 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 emotion. Da 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 da. Alright, this is gonna be, I think I'm gonna do this tutorial like in 2 parts. So if you're with me till now, when you arrived after spinning around yourself, we just do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what comes after. So I'll tell you this, probably gonna edit this together, and let me know in comments which movements I should concentrate more if you cannot do it, if you don't really spot it. But so far, let's just do it again one more time. Let's just do it with music, so you actually can see how it goes. It's getting kind of dark. The sky telling me to go home, so just gonna leave it there for now. Feel free to check out my full dance and let me know if that's something you want to learn more. I think it's really good to start. Like, this tempo really teaches you to be in control. Let me know what you think.